Top 5 benefits of getting PPF for your new car. Now, you might be wondering about the best ways to protect your shiny investment. One smart move that many car enthusiasts are making is investing in paint protection film, PPF. We'll explore the top 5 benefits of getting PPF for your new car. Preserves your car's aesthetics. The first few weeks with your new car are magical, and you want to keep that showroom shine for as long as possible. PPF acts as an invisible shield, protecting your car's paint from stone chips, bug splatter, bird droppings, and other environmental elements that can dull its appearance over time. Guards against scratches and swirl marks. Everyday encounters with keys, branches, or even brushing against rough surfaces can leave unsightly scratches on your car. PPF adds an extra layer of defense, minimizing the risk of scratches and swirl marks that can accumulate over time, keeping your car looking sleek and flawless. Maintains resale value. Planning to sell or trade in your car in the future? PPF is an investment that pays off when it comes to resale value. Potential buyers appreciate a well-maintained exterior, and PPF assures them that your car has been protected from the wear and tear of daily driving. Saves money on repairs. Repainting a car can be a costly affair. PPF acts as a sacrificial layer, absorbing the impact of road debris and preventing damage to your car's original paint. By avoiding expensive paint repairs, you not only save money in the long run but also maintain the integrity of your car's factory finish. Easy maintenance and cleaning. PPF is low maintenance and easy to clean. It resists dirt, stains, and water spots, making your car easier to wash and keep looking sharp. Say goodbye to spending hours on intricate detailing. PPF simplifies the cleaning process, allowing you to enjoy your car more and worry less about maintenance. Incorporating paint protection film into your new car care routine is a smart decision that offers long-term benefits. From preserving its aesthetics to safeguarding against scratches and maintaining resale value, PPF provides a cost-effective way to keep your car looking brand new for years to come. Consider it as an investment in the longevity and appearance of your prized possession.